my beautiful people, welcome to Africa Note Food. Today we are making yassa. Yassa is another dish from Senegal. So what we're making is we have our chicken here. We have taken the skin off, wash it with lime, and then we have onion here, 5 large onion chop. We have black pepper, chicken stub cube. We have thyme, and here 1 small Scotch Bonnet, and here we have garlic, 4 cloves of garlic. We have a bit of ginger here as well, vegetable oil, and then we have carrots, sliced diced carrots here. It's a bit frozen, and we have also parsley and lime, and here we have mustard, Dijon mustard. Okay, so if you want to know how we do our yassa, please stay with us. And so first of all, cooking, we're going to add our garlic here, and ginger here, the parsley also, and the stock cube chicken here. Come to break it, and the thyme and black pepper together here, and also I'm going to add the mustard, 1, 2, and 3 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, but you can get any mustard of your choice, but this one is my favorite. Yeah, okay. So now what I'm going to do, my hands are washed, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to massage the chicken and the spice and everything together. Okay, so I have 2 of these. I have to add the second one. So now I'm squeezing the lime juice. Before you squeeze your lime, just try and massage it a bit first, so you have all the juice that you need. So I have massaged my one, so I'm squeezing. You see all the lemon juice is coming out. So wow, that's it. Now I'm going to do my massage. Chicken massage. So you need to massage this really well. It goes everywhere. That's it, nicely. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my onion in here and massage everything together. Oh, this onion is really strong. Very strong. I have to massage them both. Everything together. So you can have the onion, the mustard, and the lime, and the parsley, and everything going together. So you'll have a beautiful and nice taste. So this dish, you have it with rice or plantain. You can have rice and plantain together, fried plantain with it. Beautiful. It's really nice. People should try this. Try and let me know. Oh wow, the onion is really strong. It's going to my eyes, but hey, it is going to be nice after, so I'll go with it. So now I have finished massaging the chicken. I'm going to leave it for about an hour before I can start cooking. Yeah, so I'm going to cover this with my clear film here and leave it in the fridge for an hour or 2. Or what you have to do as well, you can do it overnight as well, and then you cook it in the morning. but yeah, 1 hour, 2 hours will be all right for me. Okay, so it has been more than an hour now. What we're going to do, we have what I did is I separate the chicken from the onion. I'm going to cook my chicken first, and then after I'll add my onions into this pan here. Okay, so now it's hot enough, so I'm going to add the chicken. So I'm going to leave it 10 minutes on each side to cook, and I'll show you how it looks like. So now the chicken is ready here. We have cooked both sides, each side for 10 minutes. It's done now. So now I'm going to do my onion. So I have added olive oil in here. I'm adding the onion that I seasoned the chicken with earlier here. I'm going to leave this cooking melt for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I can add the chicken into it. Adding the pepper in here. So what I use Scotch Bonnet, a tiny bit, yeah, not too much. That's it. It's up to you. If you like really spicy stuff, you can use a lot. I use half. So here, and also I'm gonna add one chicken stock in there, stock cube. Adding the cube, just one. And also lime, 1 lime juice in there. Remember, I used one for the seasoning of the chicken, so I'm using another one for my stew also. That's it. So now I am going to mix them together, and I'm going to leave it for 10 minutes, and then I can add my chicken and the rest. So now you can see the onions are melted. So now we're going to add the chicken into it. Yeah. Now I'm going to cover the chicken with the onions like that. And also I'm going to add the carrots in there, and also olives. You can use green olives or black olives, but it's optional. It's up to you if you like to use it, but it goes with it nicely. That's it. Now I'm going to add a tiny bit of water and cover it for about 10 minutes, and then we'll be ready. Okay, yes, this here yassa is finished. It's ready to be served. I have made this rice earlier. I make some broken rice earlier, so I'm going to serve with it. So this is our yassa here. Yassa, chicken and the onion, olives, carrots. There. this is our Yassa look like. So this is it. Nice and tasty. Please do try. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and give us a thumbs up. Thank you for coming today. Bye.